Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the monthly chart of Moneygram International, and if you are looking at the monthly chart you will see lots of volatility, but instead of that the stock is holding and sustaining, and that's a very good thing because in spite of volatility or in spite of circumstances, if something is holding for you, you will get benefit out of it one day or the another. And anyhow, we are looking at a long-term chart, and in long-term chart, certain levels are very important in the longer-term time frame, and if those levels are going to hold on, we have some very good moves going forward that we can say. So primarily we have 6.57 as your immediate support, and the stop loss that we are going to look at is in between 4.8 and 5.2. So this is the range which you need to look at, and don't go below 4.8. This is the simple thing you can do. So if this level holds, and with a loss expectation of $1.5 or $2, the levels that we are going to expect on the upside will be something like these. So if the stock sustaining above 6.5, we have two primary targets to look at, starting with 11.18 and can go up to 12.95 or $13. Beyond $13, further levels will open up for you, and after $13, the next target we have here is 18.52 or 18.53. Then we have 25.65, and the upper end of the range for the time being is in between, let me show it to you, here we are, is in between 32.74 and 33.82 or $34. Now primarily this is the big range we have here, and the duration of this range is anyhow very long because the stock has been consolidating in between this range for the past 13 or 14 years. So this is primarily a very long time, more than a decade, and until and unless the stock moves out from this range, we can't say when it's going to move either on the upside or on the downside, and how much time it will take for any sort of breakout or breakdown. These two things are not known because it has spent enough time in between a range. Once a breakout or breakdown will happen, we get to know. So the next question lies here is, let's say if there is any breakout above 34, what's going to happen next in the long term, right? So the first half of the question I have already answered, is we don't know when it's going to make its breakout. But if there is any breakout, let's say after 5 or 10 years, we don't know, then the next big targets we have, because after 34 the entire range is open for you from $146 to $300. So everything is open up for you, but only after $34. Till then, stay within the range. We have a good opportunity over here because the stock is very near to the important support or stop loss, and if it's going to stay, then we have the upper end of the range, which is in between 32.7 and 33.8 or 9. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.